Good morning, all of you. I am Sapna Srivastav. I hope you are all safe in your home. Today, I am going to tell you some physical activity that will help everyone to strong their immune system. The general objective of my video is to improve health standard by maintaining social distance and develop knowledge and understanding of people to fight against COVID-19 through pranayam. According to WHO report, COVID-19 specifically affect our lungs. Corona damage the air sacs of our lungs. There is no way. At that time, there is no way to get rid of corona. But there is a way by which we can strong our immune system and strong our lungs. And the way is pranayam. Yes, pranayam improve lungs capacity and increase oxygenation in whole body. It helps to clean the lung, sinus and respiratory system. The other hand, it also strengthens the diaphragm and abdominal muscles.
Before pranayam, it is important to warm up our body, and the best warm up of yoga is Surya Namaskar. Perform Surya Namaskar slowly and try to hold every position. Firstly, exhale. Om Mitraय Namaha. Focus on your breathing while performing every step. Inhale. Om Ravai Namaha. Do it slowly and focus on your breathing. Exhale. Om Suryay Namaha. Inhale. Om Bhanve Namaha. Hold your breath. Om Khagaye Namaha. Exhale. Om Pushane Namaha. Inhale. Om Hiranyagarbhai Namaha. Exhale. Om Marichare Namaha. Inhale. Om Adityay Namaha. Exhale. Om Savitre Namaha. Inhale. Om Akaryay Namaha. Exhale. Om Bhaskaray Namaha. Pranayam can be performed mainly 3 of meditative asanas. Firstly, fold your both legs and put your hands on the thigh. This is first meditative asana is called Vajrasana. And then open your both legs and come into the position of Dandasana. Make sure your back should be straight, and then fold your right leg and put it on your left thigh. You should repeat it same as with the left leg. This is your second meditative asana is called Padmasana. Your third meditative asana is you have to come again in the position of Dandasana and fold your both leg and your hand should be in Chin Mudra. This asana is called Sukhasana and this is the third meditative asana for every pranayama. Let's start. The first pranayama is Anulom Vilom pranayama. But there are some precautions for this pranayama. A person who have high blood pressure or asthma should avoid this pranayama, and a person who have abdomen surgery, heart surgery or other surgery who should also have avoid this pranayama. Firstly, fold your index and middle finger of your right hand. Using the right thumb, block the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril for 2 seconds. Now block both nostrils and hold the breath for 4 seconds. Keep the left nostril blocked and release the right nostril. Exhale through the right nostril for 2 seconds. Now inhale through the right nostril for 2 seconds. Keep the right nostril blocked and release the left nostril. Hold the breath in suspension for 2 seconds. This completes one single round. Start the cycle again, this time inhaling from the right nostril. Repeat for a maximum of 10 rounds. There are many benefits of Anulom Vilom pranayama. Some of them are following is it helps to relieve depression, stress and anxiety, improve lungs capacity and oxygenation throughout the body. And then let's start the second pranayama, that is Kapalbhati pranayama. A woman who is pregnant or have menstrual cycle should avoid the Kapalbhati pranayama. If a person who have respiration issue, high blood pressure should also avoid the Kapalbhati. Now to begin the Kapalbhati, sit in comfortable position where your spine is straight and your abdomen is not compressed. Rest your hands on your knees. Palms should facing down. Inhale through both nostrils deeply. Contract your low belly or use your hands to gently press on this area, forcing out the breath in a short burst. As you quickly release the constriction, your inhalation should be automatic and passive. Your focus should be on exhaling, being slowly aiming for 65 to 70 concentration per minute. Accurately, quickly the pace aim for 95 to 105 inhalation cycle per minute. After out minute of the exercise, exhale deeply through the nostril and then exhale slowly throughout your mouth. Depend on your experience level, you may repeat the exercise. There are some benefits and many benefits of Kapalbhati. There are: it cleans the lungs, sinuses and respiratory system. Regular practice of Kapalbhati strengthens the diaphragm and abdominal muscles. Now start the third pranayam, that is meditation. For starting meditation, we should sit in any best position of pranayam. Sit comfortably as you can. You may even want to invest in a meditation chair. Close your eyes. Focus and attention on the breath and on how the body moves with each inhalation and exhalation. Observe your chest, shoulders, ribs, cage and belly. Also focus on your inner organs like heart, breath, etc. Your mind wanders, return your focus and back to your breath. Meditation. Improve the blood circulation and give deeper relaxation. It also control our hypertension and make us free from all stress. After meditation, it is necessary to rub your hand and put it on your eyes. It will give relaxation to your eyes. You should done it for 3 times.